Hello everyone, welcome back to Kalpana Pradeep's kitchen. Today we're going to make a simple vegetable bake using capsicum and potatoes with white sauce. So let's get started. Come, let's take a look at all the ingredients. I have 3 capsicums that have been horizontally cut. I have 3 medium-sized potatoes which have been skinned out and then horizontally cut into about 1/4 inch thickness. 1 tall glass of milk, half teacup of cream, 2 heaped teaspoons of wheat flour. You can use chapati atta. 1.5 tablespoons of ghee, 1 teaspoon salt, and that can vary according to your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 cube of Amul cheese, and 2 green chilies that have been slit and cut. First, we start by making white sauce. I'm going to add the ghee into the vessel. Now the ghee has melted, so I'm going to add the green chilies. Saute the green chilies for a few seconds. The aroma of the green chilies has just about begun, so I'm going to switch off the gas, and at this point I'm going to take off the green chilies. I'm taking off the green chilies into a bowl. I'm going to switch on the gas again and lower the flame. Now the ghee is already hot, so I'm going to add the wheat flour into it. Usually people use maida, but I'm going to use wheat to make white sauce. We've got to just fry this for a few seconds on a very low flame. After about 25 to 30 seconds, I'm going to add the milk and stir vigorously. At this point, you can increase your flame and start stirring. Now the mixture has just about begun the thickening process. Again, I'm going to slow down the flame and I'm adding cheese into this. The cream goes in. The pepper, salt. Keep stirring so that you get no lumps in your sauce. You can adjust the thickness of your sauce by adding a little extra milk into it, and if you feel if it's a little salty, all these things you can adjust using that little bit of extra milk, so that you get the proper taste the way you want it. And at this point, I would take the chilies that I had fried, because we need a little bit of spiciness into it. So here I'm going to just squeeze the chili over this so that I can get a little spicy sauce out of this. So now my sauce is ready. The consistency has to be something like this. It should be in pourable state. At this point of time, we can switch off the gas and put the sauce aside. Now the next step would be to keep a tawa on the flame. And we're going to add a little bit of ghee into the tawa, like you can see it. I've already added a little bit there. And I'm going to roast the potatoes. I have not added any salt or pepper into the potatoes because it may get a little too salty, because we're going to add sauce later on. Roast the potatoes on both the sides. So it has to slightly brown like this. You need not necessarily make it a long procedure to roast the whole thing. After we are done with roasting the potatoes, they look something like this. So now the last step would be to start layering the bake. I have laid the potatoes on the base. This is how I'm going to do it. Now I'm going to pour some sauce over the potatoes. So this is how I have covered the layer of potatoes using the white sauce. Now the next layer is going to be capsicum. Now again I'm going to cover this with white sauce, and I'm going to continue doing this alternate layers till all the ingredients are over. A little tip over here would be to add maybe a teaspoon or two of breadcrumbs, because when the breadcrumbs start getting crispy, you know that your bake is ready. Now the bake is ready. The capsicum has become paler in color and the breadcrumbs have been roasted. So this is where we know that our bake is ready. If you all have liked my recipe, please do let me know how it turned out for you all. Until then, see you all in my next video.